Howdy again, cartooned, deformed Hot Wheels collectors. So we today have this Fatbax Plymouth Barracuda, number 45 of 100, came out in 2004. Let's take a look. This one has a double blister thing going on. Alright. And this seems to be a drag car, obviously. There's some cartoon Plymouth Barracudas back there. I really like this one. That thing's cool. Alright, so we have a yellow paint job on this guy. It's not metallic though, just regular yellow. We have some nicely raised headlights and a recessed grille area, so that's cool. Should be easy to paint. You can see the metal base is actually showing this metal engine. Or this actually must be a separate piece because it's rattling around. So that's actually kind of realistic because, you know, when these things tend to rotate when they're slamming the gas pedal. Okay, up top we have red, white, and blue and star stripes. Unfortunately, it's not printed very well. It's not getting in there. Not enough paint. A little paint's missing there. It's not getting into those grooves. Too bad. Oh well, these things weren't expensive. The wheels do match up. This thing's got 4 pipes coming out the side here. Nice Don Prudhomme, who's a real drag car racer, a race car driver. Maybe he wasn't a drag car. This could be a NASCAR vehicle. Please leave a comment. I think he's NASCAR, but I could be wrong as usual. But no, this is definitely a drag car. With the sissy bars or whatever these things are called. And then a parachute as well. No paint in the taillights. So maybe he was a drag car racer. Okay. Wow, this thing's got a lot going on. Yeah, you're not going to be able to fit Plymouth Barracuda down here, but you get an idea how old it is. Press fit together. These wheels are just so ridiculous. Oddly, they roll quite well, these Fatbacks, because the tires are domed, you know, so it only rolls right here in the middle of the top section, the widest part. Alright, well, anyways, let's, I guess, look at some images and see what kind of wheels we can come up with here. Alright, so here we are with some 3D printed wheels that match the actual Snake drag racing car. Yeah, they're chromed in the front. This is actually chrome Vallejo paint, but it doesn't look very chrome-like. And then they're gold in the back, so that's what I painted here. What else did I do? I had some silver and black here. I also gave some detail to the blower and the belt there. And then the parachute I painted black as well, and the taillights. I think that's it. A little black here on these wheels here. So there's a lot of play in the axles of these Fatbacks. It rolls, it's alright, it's cool. Okay, well, let's compare it to a couple other cartoon race cars. I don't have any Chorocues or anything like that of this vehicle. They were just never made. But to do have some of the race cars from Chorocue, like here's a Ferrari F1 car. And then here's an old classic Honda F1 car. So it would be nice if Chorocue made more American vehicles. They don't make many at all. Language barrier or something, I don't know, it's weird. Okay, and then this is an old custom I did. This is one of those Hot Wheels Beetles. I forget what they're called. Doesn't really see on the bottom, does it? Well, some sort of Hot Wheels, and I added all these lights and the engine, wing, and this sand tires and stuff. So that's actually probably the closest one in proportion. Cartoon cars. Whether they're actual cartoons or three-dimensional objects, I think they're fun. They're fun to look at. So, I don't know if this is going to fit on a dyno, but, you know, it's a drag car. It's going to try. The wheelbase is way too short. Well, anyways, this is one of the funner Fatbacks. It just seems like they didn't do too many. You know, I don't think anyone really likes these cartoon cars compared to the majority of Hot Wheels collectors. It would be little children, or maybe only 2% of the adult population, maybe, because it seems like they never made too many more of these fatbacks, at least. But they did look quite ridiculous with those giant wheels. Maybe Hot Wheels should go back. They should go back and maybe make some new wheels, or take some of their existing wheels that don't protrude out so much. I think it looks a lot better like this. What do you guys think? Without the rear tires hanging out so far. Anyways, that's just my opinion. Alright guys, well, I appreciate you guys watching today. So I'll see you in the next Hot Wheels video. Take care now.